Good morning, Gold family. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you about who owns the mining claim and how to get the redacted information. I do have another video if you want to see open areas for claim or if something is under claim, that's here on my YouTube. But let's talk about mining claims here for a second. So there's several reasons why you might want to know the owner's name of a claim. Maybe you are purchasing it from them and you want to know if they're the real owner. Maybe you want to prospect on the claim and want to ask for permission. There's so many reasons to know this, and we're going to start with Google. So you're going to need to know the Meridian Township range and hopefully the section. And you can find that here by going to BLM National Data. And if you just kind of follow along on this step by step, you go into BLM National Data, click OK, go over to mining claims. For this purpose of this video, we are going to use closed claims just out of a sense of privacy for people, but you're going to want to hit active claims or pending claims. I'm putting in Oakhurst, California. Not a lot of gold over there, but it's just for an example. You could put in any location that you want. So you see here that I put in Oakhurst, and see that blue area? That means it's closed. So you just click on the closed or the open area and you scroll down and you see this. That is the description. CA21 is Meridian, and then you have to write it in a really funny way. But this is the quickest and easiest way to do that. So when you get your location, go ahead and write that information down. Then you're going to want to go back to Google and put in MLRS reports BLM. And this is the service that you can use through BLM. And you're going to want to click on this little button right here that says take me to the reports. So this is the MLRS, and you can research maps, you can file for mining claims here. Creating an account is how you are going to get the redacted information. So I suggest doing that. You go here, log in. I personally log in, but you can create your account right here as well. And then it'll take you to this screen. So you want to just click on this and then pick research. And then go down and click OK, and it puts you into this lot here. And then you want to go to reports, and then you're going to want to log in, because this is what you get if you don't log in. You get those X's, so you don't know. So go up here and click unredacted. And this will help you a lot. I just go to the geo report. It seems to be the easiest. You fill in the information that you got from the first website. Remember, it was CA21, which the CA21 would be the Meridian. And then you want to put in your township and your range. This website's kind of slow, and sometimes it gets clogged up on Chrome. So if you have a different web browser, you might want to switch over to something else if you guys indeed have that. And then once you fill that all in, you hit the run report or that, and then it will pop up for you. It might take a minute, and then you'll be able to see all the names. So I went a little fast through that ending just as a sense of privacy for the previous mine owners, but you will definitely be able to see their names and their addresses as well if you click on it. And I really hope this helps you guys in your gold adventure. In my experience, there's nothing finer than having your old gold mining claim, and I highly recommend it for anybody. It's the best medicine in the world, to be quite honest with you. But if you like this content and video, please just give me a like and maybe even a subscribe, and I can continue trying to help you guys out in this way. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. May the AU be with you all. Have a good one. Bye.